Hey, welcome to Hex 3. You're starting out your third Hex semester of an allied class. This one is your technology. We're working with structures, and we're going to work with a program called White Box Learning. We're going to work that in structures. So I'm going to just introduce you to how things are going to work in here. When you come to your first day class on your Google Meet, you'll get more information on how to access your stuff and how things run. So I just want to point out to you, obviously, if you are watching this video, you've already got my invite, and you are watching this video to get the basics taken care of. So I want to start out with the fact that on your Google Classroom page, this is our Google Meet link. Okay, this is our Google Meet link. So during your class time, which is going to be at 12:25 on a normal day, at 12:25 you'll be on here in the Google Meet. We'll meet as a class on your day. Okay, and we'll explain that when I get to the schedule. So that's how you get to the Google Meet. You're going to be there on your day, and you'll work. We'll work through it, and I'll give you your assignments, and we'll talk about what we got there. How this is laid out is in classwork. You're going to see when I post things, I'm going to post things by the week. So week of 11:30 to 12:24 is our first week of class, and you'll have assignments and things that you'll have to do under here. So this is what's going to be happening for this week. In this particular case right now, we're starting out with introduction, and I want you to have the syllabus looked over and before we get to our class on the first day. And there'll be other stuff added to this as we go throughout the week. If you'll notice, there are some things that will not fall under a week. These are things going to be pinned to the top. These are things that you can look at that I don't want to necessarily follow a week, because I want you to see them consistently. And the one thing that you're going to have up here is going to be also the structure schedule for distance learning. And if you click on that, and then we're going to just look through our schedule here. So our schedule, okay, on a normal Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, or Friday. So this is an A1 Mondays, A2 Tuesdays, B1 Thursdays, or B2 Fridays. We're going to meet from 12:25 to 1:35. We may not go all the way to 1:35, but we are going to start at 12:25 on those days. So make sure you are logged in with that Google Meet link on that banner that I showed you earlier. And we may not be here the whole time, and that's perfectly fine. I don't want to take up the whole time in class here. I'm going to leave you that time to work on the assignments I give you and things like that. Okay, but make sure you at least block out this time for my class or for this class. On Wednesdays, the class time is from 11:47 to 12:37, because we have an early out on Wednesday starting this week. So we are starting the 2nd of December, I should say. So we have that. We will not meet as a class on those days. Okay, we will not meet as a class on those days. What I'm going to have is office hours placed in here. And office hours means you can click on office hour if you have questions, you have need answers to problems that you're having, or things like that. Then you just log on to an office hour, and then I will be there, and it'll be just you and I in an office hour, and talking about what you're answering questions and things like that you have. So it'll be office hours on Wednesdays during the class time. Okay. There also will have office hours on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Fridays after school, which is from 2:20 to 3:15. So I will have office hours there to do the same thing. So we have office hours on Wednesdays and Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Fridays after school. And I'm going to show you that real quick. If I go back to here, to click your office hours, to find your office hours, go to Google Calendar. Okay. And when you go to Google Calendar, you pick the calendar you want. So let's say I'm going to look at Monday the 30th here, and I click on this one here. It says Lockhart office hours. You'll have other stuff on here. This is my calendar. But you click on that, and then you go to appointment page for this calendar. When you click on that, It'll open up a window like this. If you're not in the week that you picked on, it'll show up like this one here. I'm not in that week. I got to make sure I'm in the correct week. So I wanted to go to the 30th. So here it is. Now, if I go down here and take a look, I have office hours. And if you see, you can see three kind of boxes right here that have my name in it. And if I hover over this one, it comes up and says that one's from 2:30 to 2:45. If I hover over this one, that one says from 2:45 to 3. If I hover over this one, it says from 3 to 3:15. So you choose whatever time that you will be want to meet with me, and you click on it, and it'll open up a window that says Lockhart office hours, and then your name will pop up right here. Okay, it'll tell you when and what time. Okay, who it's with, me, and then it'll give you a Google Meet link right here. Okay, you click save. Once you click save, it'll send you an email. It'll send me an email notifying me that you signed up for office hours and reminding you that you signed up for office hours. And then it's just a matter of at that time you click on the Google Meet and link in, and we'll be in there. We'll meet and we'll discuss what needs to be discussed. I'm going to cancel because I don't want to set up a meeting with myself. But then that's how you get your office hours. Okay, and again, after school or during class time, during on Wednesdays, that's the other option. And just show you, I forgot to show you here real quickly. If you take a look on Wednesday, this would be your office hours time. There's two spots in there. Save the times for the other grades. Okay, so this is my 8th grade office hours, my 7th grade office hours, and it'd be your office hours. Okay, so save times for those for you there, and don't use the other classes office hours times during Wednesday. You can still use after school. These after school ones should not be there. I'll take those out. So that's your office hours. Let me get out of here. On here, I will also post the Google Meet, so I will record class and I will post it here. So if you're not able to make a class for some reason, you can watch the class, and so you get the information you need so you can do the assignments. As we have it set up, I'll have that up there. So you will still be required to have the assignments done the same time everybody else is, because you have the availability to watch it just like everybody else did. So there's no late work on that aspect. So with that, I will look forward to seeing you guys on the first day, whatever first day. Structures this here. Remember, A1 is Monday, A2 is Tuesday generally, B1 is Thursday, B2 is Friday. Okay, and if we have a different week, like a 4-day week, then this will be readjusted, and I'll tell you that ahead of time how we're going to meet. But A1's on Monday, A2's on Tuesday, B1's on Thursday, B2's on Friday. That's the only time you need to log in. More stuff will be explained on your first day of class. Okay, so with that, look forward to seeing you on your first day, and we'll get more information out to you at that point in time for all the details and how you're going to work, what you're going to do in class, and your assignments and such. We'll see you then. Look forward to it. Bye.